So, today I'm doing a Play-Doh one-day challenge. And I'm going to try to keep it enough until Friday. Today's Thursday, so I'm going to get it out tomorrow at 8 o'clock when Bring It coming on. And then I'm going to take it out, and then I'll show you guys. Is it going to be hard or still going to be the same? So, let's get started. Okay.
Tell if you want to break it on, we'll give it.
Move the sugar. Okay. This is the Play-Doh. And we gotta spread it. We gonna see it's gonna fill the whole thing. Oh. So let's see if it's gonna fill the whole thing. Okay. Y'all can see it. The camera's so dark. So yeah. Uh-oh, it's filling up. And I want to show y'all real quick. We got a fish. Her name is Princess. Say hey, Princess. Okay, she don't want to talk right now, so it's okay. Uh-oh, sorry.
What? You're just talking to me.
No, I feel like you're her mama.
Look at the camera. Label.
I'm gonna get ready to show y'all where I'm at.
Label. Wait.
What's her name?
Label.
No. Her name Princess.
And your label can keep it.
No. She only need one name.
Perfect.
I don't know if I'm gonna feel like it. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm at now. If y'all can see it, this is where I'm at. So, yeah, where I'm at.
Back.
Where you going? Where you going?
And don't show them my bite. And then my fish. I wish he got you a fish too.
I don't know, guys. Is it gonna feel it? Vote before I say if you're gonna feel it or it not. And no cheaters. Tell the truth. Be honest. Oh, it took up 7 minutes. I just want to see how I probably edit this video if it be too boring. So let's talk YouTube. I want to know something about you. I'm watching Lala and Vampire. Yeah, like I said. Okay. Yeah, like I'm saying. What do you like? What's your favorite color? What? Say it, comment down below. Morgan. You got it. You want to get back from your phone? You want to get from your phone?
Because we the quick family.
Okay, let's see how many purples we got. She just want to creep some purples and some blues. Fruities. If y'all can see them. Let's see. Okay, let me. Go. Now the 3, 2, 1. Boom. Boom. So we did feel all of it.
Then we're going to do the candy competition. Mom, you covered that whole stuff up. What?
So if you can see.
I'm getting all the blue.
No. Okay.
Okay. I'm getting all the blue. We're going to do the candy competition. I want to beat you anyway because you got more purple. Okay. Look, I got to get some of your blue.
Boy, you can't do that.
Okay, you get it.
You gave me one of your purples. So you get one of my blues.
Give me my purple back. We weren't supposed to do that.
I want one of these purples. Okay.
I want one. No,
Okay.
we do the candy competition.
Bye.
Candy competition.
Remember, I'm gonna leave till
tomorrow.
Tomorrow when I get out of school, and we gonna see what'll happen. So we gonna let me find something to pick over it. You just stay right there with you. And I'm gonna eat one of these purples. Sorry. See?
Okay, let's do can competition now. Here, get this cup. Okay. Just throw it back on the bed.
Well, we're just gonna leave it like this until
Tomorrow.
So, I hope you enjoy my video. And it was good. I hope you subscribe and like. Bye.
Let's do the
Anyways,
can competition.
tell me something about y'all. Comment down below and everything. So, bye.
Let's do can competition.